Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. Today's question I'm addressing is, do you sell the concept or do you sell the result? Somebody asked me that. So I'm finally getting around to the video. Do you sell the concept or do you sell the result? This is a little tricky, but the first thing I'll say is you absolutely focus on the concept, not the result. And here's why. You don't need to sell anybody on a result. They're sold. If you're doing it properly, they're coming already craving that. You know, Island A is where they're struggling with their symptoms. Island B is some result that they're craving. So it's kind of built into the thing. You don't need to convince them to want something that they already want. You don't need to sell a result. If I want to go to Europe, you don't need to sell going to Europe to me. I'm already sold. So that's point number one. But point number two is, we focus on the concept, but we don't sell the concept. We just share it. I'm not trying to get you to buy it. Yes, I'm trying to make the case for it. That's true. I'm trying to make the case for a perspective. I suppose I would distinguish that from selling. I'm trying to share it. I'm trying to share it persuasively, but without an agenda. I'm just trying to do it justice. I'm just trying to render it in a way that honors the concept. But that's different than me. I'm not going to stop until you agree with me. So sharing it persuasively is you're trying to be faithful to the understanding that you've been given, to share it in the clearest way possible. You know, where you stop from time to time and you say, how did I do? How am I doing? Does this make sense? And then people will agree or they won't. They're gonna buy that or they won't, but you don't need to sell them on it. You just need to share it, and share it well, share it eloquently, share it clearly. But yeah, so do you sell the result or do you sell the concept? You don't sell either. How do you like that? Because they've already bought the result, and they might be interested in the concept if you share it well. So there you go. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. There's a bunch of free stuff there you can go check out. Thanks so much.